Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Nest Hub 2nd Gen beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up your Google Nest Hub 2nd Gen, start by unpacking the device from its box. Place your Google Nest Hub on a flat, stable surface. Connect the included power adapter to the back of the device. Plug the other end of the power adapter into an electrical outlet. Wait for the screen to light up, which indicates that the device is powering on. When the screen displays the Google logo, you're on the right track. Follow the on-screen prompts to select your language. Once you select your language, the device will search for Wi-Fi networks. Choose your Wi-Fi network from the list shown on the screen. Enter your Wi-Fi password using the touchscreen. Tap Connect once you have entered the password correctly. The Google Nest Hub will now connect to your Wi-Fi network. This process might take a few moments, so be patient. After it connects, you'll be prompted to link your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, you can create one at this stage. You will need to enter your email and password for your Google account. Once logged in, grant necessary permissions for device access. The device may also prompt you to enable Voice Match, which personalizes responses. You can choose to set up Voice Match or skip it for now. Next, you'll be asked to customize various settings, such as calendars and music services. Follow each prompt to complete your preferences. Once you finish, the Google Nest Hub will display a Setup Complete message. You can now ask your Nest Hub questions or use it to control smart home devices. Explore the preloaded apps and features available on the device. Adjust the brightness and volume using the touchscreen or voice commands. Test out the features by asking questions or setting reminders. Now you're all set to enjoy your Google Nest Hub 2nd Gen. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.